When you eat your slice of pepperoni pizza at Town Spa, you probably don't think twice about the journey that the slice of pepperoni pizza is about to embark on. Breaking down the molecules that make up the slice of pizza into individual nutrients that your body can absorb and use to support its function is known as the process of digestion. There are two main types of digestion, mechanical and chemical. Mechanical digestion is the physical breakdown of food, like when you chew with your teeth. Peristalsis, a series of wave-like muscle contractions that move food down the digestive tract, is another form of mechanical digestion. Chemical digestion is the breakdown of food in the mouth, stomach, and intestines through the use of acids and enzymes. Tony, the slice of pepperoni pizza that you just ate, is about to show you his journey through digestion.
All unicellular organisms digest intracellularly, unlike you and me. The food particles are enveloped by phagocytosis. Food vacuoles fuse with lysosomes containing hydrolytic enzymes so that nothing goes amiss. Intracellular digestion is the breakdown of food outside of a cell. It occurs in compartments that are continuous with the outside of an animal's body. With this information, we are on our way to Cornell.
The smell of the warm, alluring pizza wafts from the plate and your salivary glands start working. Your mouth can produce almost a quart of saliva per day that will aid in the digestion process, help with swallowing, and also protect your teeth against bacteria that is lurking. Amylase is an enzyme present in this saliva. It catalyzes the hydrolysis of starch into sugars. Wow, what a diva! As the food goes into your mouth, the mechanical digestion workers, the teeth, begin their job. The teeth chew and grind the cheesy pizza until it is in small bits that are able to be swallowed, cheesy, tiny globs. Once the pizza is swallowed, down the esophagus, a long muscular tube it go. Covered in pink tissue called mucus, it is quite a show. The esophagus is located behind the windpipe and heart and just in front of the spine. The esophagus connects the pharynx with the stomach. They're in a straight line.
From the esophagus, your yummy meal travels to the stomach. It enters through a valve called the lower esophageal sphincter that is very muscular. The stomach produces acid and enzymes that break down and help digest the dough, cheese, and pepperoni. Isn't that spectacular? Pepsin is a specific enzyme released that breaks down a food protein into a peptide. You better make sure that the protein cells don't hide. The ridges made of muscle line the stomach while it contracts repeatedly. The ridges turn the food in order to improve the digestive process. Don't worry, this doesn't make you nauseous. Before your partly digested meal is expelled through the stomach, it is there as a semi-fluid mass called chyme. Wow, we're doing such a good job making this rhyme.
The pizza molecules pass through the stomach into the small intestine linked by villi. This organ is very important. Without it, you would totally die. The main function of the small intestine is absorption of nutrients and minerals from food. 90% of the digestion and absorption of food occurs here, dude. From pizza, nutrients and minerals are available. Carbohydrates and calcium are included in this. It's unassailable. As the carbohydrates in your body build up, glucose levels rise, and the pancreas secretes more insulin. It does, yup. Glucose molecules are added to the storage chains of glycogen as they remain plentiful. When your body needs energy, the glycogen breaks down into glucose again. It's very helpful.
The major function of the large intestine is to absorb water from the remaining indigestible food matter and transmit the useless waste matter from the body. The large intestine comprises of the second part of the alimentary canal, but doesn't have many hobbies. The large intestine consists of the cecum and the colon. It is amazing that neither of them are stolen.
The process is almost done, but not quite. The food travels next to the rectum. It is the end part of the large intestine, and it is 10 to 12 centimeters long. It is a key storage place for feces that is super strong. The stretch receptors enable it to expand and contract, and urge it to defecate so that it doesn't get backed up.
The alimentary canal has an end, solid waste matter it portends. It's not heinous, it's only the anus.